Ready to unlock the power of your GA4 data and transform it into actionable insights with event-based reporting. First, head over to Looker Studio and click on the Create button. Then select Report to start a new report. Now, connect your Google Analytics account by choosing Google Analytics from the data source list. Then authorize your GA4 account. In the report editor, create a table to visualize event data. Simply drag and drop event name from the available fields into the dimension section and event count into the metric section. Filter your data by adding the event name as the filter. Use this to zoom in on the specific events you want to analyze, such as add to cart or form submission. Create a time series chart to understand event trends over time. Drag and drop date into the dimension section and event count into the metric section. Enhance your analysis by creating calculated fields to define metrics like conversion rates based on event data. Simply create a new field using the formula editor, referencing the specific events you're tracking. Once your report is finalized, share it with your team by clicking the Share button, enabling collaborative data-driven decision-making and optimization based on event insights.